Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to stop sharing Google Photos. You have to start by open Google Photos, then click at your profile icon at the right top and click at the backup. Firstly, we need to disable backup. So click at the slider, if the slider have colorful background, and we turn off it, so it stops sharing your photos from the gallery to Google Photos. Also, I recommend it to click at the profile icon again, and then go Google Photos settings. Then click at the sharing line and manage sharing activities. So right here we have shared links, memories and conversation. Also you can click on it, and as you can see I have shared links right here. So you can remove it by click at the trash icon and delete it. Do the same with the memories, and right here we have conversation. So you can also stop conversation by click on this conversation, then three dots at the right top, options. And right here you can leave it by click at this leave button and leave. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.